Oh, the weeds are already coming through hardcore. So anyway, glad I thought to do it before and after. Just in case Grandma didn't think I did anything. And this way she knows that these weeds came back right quick when she was gone. You can see all in her flower bed. Peonies, beautiful, big dark purple, or dark purple, dark red blooms. You got bee balm, phlox, ooh, foxglove, some lavender, and some different lilies. Another one hidden back there. Torch lilies are done. They looked really nice this year. You got the crazy daisies. I think this is purple Stella. You can see the weeds are kind of coming back in hardcore, so I got to get that taken care of before she comes back from her cruise. You can Pixie Coreopsis, maybe? Love this. I think it's something Starship. Starship something. Or Starburst, or I don't know. More pretty lilies. Here's some nice ones. That one's almost done. Canary reed grass, lungwort, Russian sage, sedum, the tall kind. There's not a lot left in here. That'll be easy to weed for me. It's the thing I'm worried about. I don't know where she put in seeds anywhere. Bee balm. I like that lavender one. That's one of my favorites. I got lambium coming up in an old compost pile. That's a nice daylily. These are pretty. I got those from a friend, I think. This too. This is regular thyme. The thyme over here. This is mother of thyme. Ow, mosquitoes. In the grass. Oh, here's another daylily. And that one. Oh, I'm getting chewed up. But you can see this. I'm gonna have to get this. I think that's perennial oregano or marjoram, maybe. Perennial oregano. But we got some tomatoes here. Delphinium's dying. I need to. Grandma's not here to yell at me. I'll let him go to seed. I like that. I want to see some weird hybrids come popping out. Let's see, we got these pretty lilies. Get them on film. Grandma doesn't completely miss them. She's on vacation. I am getting bitten like crazy by mosquitoes. That sprinkler really brought them out. Okay, are these are lily. Are they supposed to look like these weird little rose things? What the heck? How do I take a picture in the middle of a recording? I don't remember. I think I did it. These beautiful bright colors. Maybe watching this later, I'll want to paint something. I mean, I do want to paint a lot of stuff. I just never find the time by the time I'm done cleaning or working on the farm. Or, you know, that is when I feel good. Oh, my peppers are getting overgrown. These tomatoes are looking good though. I had some volunteer ground cherries come up. So I had to be careful to go around those. Something's eating the cucumbers. Let's see, that's the yellow zucchini, yellow watermelon. No, these all three are cucumbers, and these are zucchini. Yellow summer squash, not yellow zucchini. I think that's what I said earlier. I think the garlic just might be done. Cherry tomato. Another one. I believe they're like bumblebee sunrise. At least that's what they come out looking like. Even though I think that's a hybrid. So, I had a bunch of work there. I already tilled this today, by the way, today is one of the days that, in spite of me having like issues with my sinuses and my scar tissue from my brain tumor, I'm actually getting around and accomplishing a couple things. But I know when I stop, I'm gonna pay for it. But see, I got these. This is where those goji berries that are overtaking that corner over there are gonna go here, because the soil is exhausted, and gojis are really good about revitalizing the soil. They'll grow in crap soil, and then you can just till them in every year, and they'll just repair it. And then the berries help fight age-related macular degeneration. So this is one of the remaining surviving blueberries. Here's my other one. So part of the reason I water this whole area is so that way when I pull the blueberries, they're easier to come out. I even watered over by the rhubarb, so I can try to pull that out. But you can see little black raspberries mixed in everywhere. Super thorny, small fruits. Usually don't have worms, but they're wild, so they're really seedy. I may come out and pick these. Oh, they do taste kind of good. Keep in mind, I haven't had time to eat like I normally do. Time to cook, defrost the meat, and then cook it. Oh, here's a mutant one, a mutant raspberry. Let's see, does it have worms? Let me look in there. Yeah, it's got a liquidy center. I don't know if you can see it. When you see the liquidy center, sometimes too, when it's already getting liquidy, that means they're breaking through the cells of the raspberry and leaving waste behind after they eat it. And they're about to turn from little gross larva wormies to flies. So throw it in some hot water, soapy water. Try to kill the flies all you can. Part of my theory about that is this they've used this land for so long without replenishing it organically that I think it's exhausted. And so I'm gonna mix in like my soil mix, and I'm just gonna put in, probably try to save hopefully 4 rows worth, just wide enough for me to till through every year between the row, so that way they don't expand. But I'll put in my soil mix, some fertilizer, some water retention crystals, and see if we can save the raspberries. Because I think that the soil's so crappy that they don't have the immune system to fight off disease and bugs, and they get diseases and stuff, you know, from time to time, funguses and like a rust. So, and then we got all these donor sour cherries and plums. This is a plum tree here. I already got all the sour cherries. Wow, what the birds left behind anyway, I got those. So on this side, I'm guessing is probably plum. You know, like if it was all under the branches of the tree, I would suspect that, oh, maybe a bird ate a cherry, came over here and pooped. But they're a fair amount of ways away, so I think they're plum. So I'm gonna keep mowing. I started. I'm gonna keep mowing, get back here. And then this place where I've had some experimental crops and where I've put goji berries before, it flooded the year that I put gojis in, so it killed them all. So I'm taking another risk again. But I think I won't go this far into it like I have before. Like here's where the water usually settles. I think I'm gonna try to get the tiller over here and see if I can knock out some rows here. And then the way back, I want to put a row of my gojis, and then put a row of sour cherries, and then a row of plums. So that way we have like a windbreak, and even if like we have to sell the place, you know, there's a resource for whoever moves in to use, or otherwise at least, you know, I'll feed nature. And also, you know, make a barrier, because both of our neighbors are like right there now, and you know, not the same as it used to be. So.